Hi guys, good afternoon to all of you guys, and this is me, Perdapia, and this is my son. Today is Sunday, and we went in church, and now it's finished already. So I make video for my YouTube channel, and this is me now. And this dress I bought from Timo, and also my sandal I bought from Timo. No, from Shein, shopping online shop. Shein, not Timo. And hi guys, good afternoon Australia. This is Kordapia in Australia. Now this afternoon I'm going to show you all my plants in front of my house. These are my plants, guys. Look at this one. These are also succulents. Mandeville. I don't know the other name. This one, I don't know this one. Virginia. And this one, I don't know. So, yeah. And I have here azalea too. Azalea, guys. I know azalea. Yeah, here azalea. See, look at that. There's some azalea here. Azalea. And yeah, that's all for now today, guys. I hope you're enjoying watching my video. These are my front yard. I put azalea here and also camellia. So that is very expensive. The camellia is $17. Azalea is just only $5 when you buy that one in the flower shop. So yeah, and don't forget to click subscribe, guys, in my YouTube channel, Kordapia in Australia. Bye bye. See you next video.